I am Amadou Sidibe, a member of Global Farmer Network from Mali, West Africa. I'm growing rice, local rice seed growing, using the techniques of SRE, which is intensive rice cropping, using local seeding machine to plant at the space of 20 by 20. You can see the rice has been planted 20 by 20 just 3 months ago. See how it's growing? We did fertilizer at the beginning, DAP or MAP, and now we are using urea. The second cycle of urea will be giving tomorrow. You can see I did 6.5 hectares of rice, showing that Mali can be autosufficient on the rice plantation. You have already flood water coming, and it's so beautiful, it's so amazing. That kind of grain helps eyes to have hope in the world. Isn't it beautiful? To me, yes. Thank you.